what just happened was, as we said to you before, Igor took the drone and he flew the drone over the pen of heifers that are calving. We got 165 total. We're at a little over 100 now. Had 2 last night. And so I seen the feet sticking out of the one heifer, so it's, like I said, it's 28 degrees, just a skiff of snow. And I'd rather the calf was born inside than outside. So we had one last night outside, and it's doing great. And so now we're gonna put that one inside, and so now it's time for coffee.